The speech that I wrote is about this month, this holiday season. And the month of December is known to many as the most wonderful time of the year, right? That's what we sing about, that's what we hear on the radio. But actually, for many people, this can be the most difficult time of year. And when you think about it, it's odd that carolers wish us days that are merry and bright during the month that is literally so cold and dark. At least it got a little warmer, but over the weekend, this Monday and Tuesday was freezing cold. And by the time I walk out of here, even if it's at 5 o'clock, there's no sun left to be found. A survey conducted in 2021 showed that 3 in 5 Americans feel their mental health is negatively impacted by the holidays. Financial struggles, family challenges, and loss of a loved one can make this time of year very difficult for many people. So how can we make this season a little brighter for ourselves and for others? And there is one word that is the answer to that. That is part of our CHARGE acronym. The word is empathy. Empathy matters so much all year long, but particularly during the holidays. Empathy means understanding and sharing the feelings of another person. Being empathetic is considering those feelings of others, noticing when a friend is quiet, asking if they are okay, or including someone who is sitting alone. Empathy is knowing that you have a friend who may be going through something and going out of your way to do something nice for them, even if they don't ask. Practicing empathy is listening actively, paying attention when someone shares or shows their feelings, or even if they don't. Showing kindness with a smile or greeting or including someone in an activity helps to build relationships and creates a sense of belonging and community. Even as I think about it, the idea of this assembly, though there's so many of us here, having that community, having empathy, coming together, very important, especially during this time of year. There's another really important thing to remember during this holiday season. It's self-care. You might be familiar with the saying, you can't pour from an empty cup. And it is definitely true. Take care of yourself. Eat healthy foods, get enough rest and exercise, and ask for help when you need it. You can't help others if you're not taking care of yourself. Empathy starts with being kind to yourself. And during this month of December, during the holidays, as we're preparing for the new year and everything is so busy, it's important to remind yourself to take that time. So as we prepare to begin this new year, 2026, can't believe how quick it's coming, I urge all of you to make a conscious effort to spread joy, kindness, and love. Make sure you're taking care of yourself, first and foremost. Seek out small moments of connection. And I want to pause here for a moment to talk about how important this is. And it's so interesting. There is such a big age difference between our 6th graders and our 12th graders. But this is true for all of us, even the adults, especially as we're preparing for a break, a really nice long break. It's almost 2 full weeks. But make sure you come to school on that Monday and Tuesday. But while you're on that break, seek out small moments of connection. While you're in school, but also with your family members. You have that time at home. Make sure you're disconnecting from devices, putting the phone down, and connect with members of your family. Small moments, small experiences, small conversations can mean so much. So don't forget to do that. Sometimes we have to disconnect to connect. So please keep that in mind. Because it is important that we all remember always, but particularly during this month, that people are always more important than things. So together, by practicing self-care and empathy, let's together make sure that this is the most wonderful time of the year.